Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black printed shirt with tan pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try sky blue shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try brown polo t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try purple oversized t-shirt with white pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try black and green printed shirt with beach pants and brown slippers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with beach pants and brown sandals. Next you can try navy blue shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white striped shirt with black pants and black boots. Next you can try brown oversized shirt with black pants and brown slippers. Next you can try black printed shirt and shorts with white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 pastel color outfit ideas.